Okay, we got an Aries Wing counterbalance monitor arm. This is for I'm putting it on a 49-inch monitor. Comes with an instruction booklet. Tells you everything what to do. I don't know. Allen keys, nuts and bolts. This looks like the main arm. Heavy duty stuff. Another part. I don't know what these are. Wire holders and stuff, it looks like. Some screws. That looks like one of the major parts to hold it to the table, to your desk. I got it here, just like a round collar. There we go. Some other part, something sits in there, obviously. What else we got? Another piece. I don't know what any of these pieces are. When I start putting it together, we'll see. Obviously, I have to read the instructions. And here's the straight bar that goes in the back. That's it. Let's get to putting it together. All right, so you have two different ways to do this. You have, looks like both ways use this mount right here, but you get the clamp. You get the clamp that goes on the desk like this, and you see over here there's some screws. Allen, you have 3 different Allens. Obviously it's not this one. It's one of these. So for this one you use this guy, and if you want to do it this other way, which you screw it all the way through your table, your desk, so you would have this. Put this under it, you take this and just screw this all the way to here through your desk, and this long bolt will stick underneath. I'm not doing it that way, so I don't need that, I don't need that. I'm doing it this way. So you take this, it just goes right in there like this, and then you take this screw, put it in there, and you start tightening it. And it grabs that, and then as you tighten this, you have this on your desk, and then as you tighten this, it will tighten on the desk. So this can go a lot tighter, because the desk is not this wide. So I'm gonna tighten that. Let's see what the next step is. Oh, I guess I have to go do this on the desk, because once you get this tight, it looks like you take this thing and that goes like that. You take this, screw this in. All right, I'm just gonna show you how it goes together, because I have to go do this on the desk. It goes like that. Where's that collar? Get this collar. And it's got some, it's got some Allen keys on there. So that goes there. It won't fit, obviously, because Allens are in, little things are in the way. Like this. So just tell me how to put it on there. It doesn't tell me, it just says put it on there. Oh, okay. This just goes on there. Then take this. There's a screw there. A screw there. Okay, so this goes on here like this. Oh, I see. And this is how you adjust the up and down. You would loosen this here, go up and down. Okay. And you take, and this is why they want you to put it, build it on your desk. As soon as I put this on, it's going to fall. Now it's going to want to fall over. So you get this on there. Obviously, there's a bunch of tightening I have to do of Allen keys and stuff. And then you take this. It's just going to fall. It looks like this has come off. Take this, mount it to your monitor. So that'll be on your monitor. You come over with this. Hey, that's your monitor. Take this, go like this, and you screw this on. And then this guy goes in here. This goes in from the bottom. Oh, okay. Man. Yep, definitely assemble this on your on your desk. You take this and this. Oh, okay. This and this. Put this in here. This goes all the way through, and it screws into there. All right, that's how we do it. I'm gonna show you again once this is on the desk. You'll see how it all goes together. Okay, here it is mounted. I have to move it a little bit because I don't like it. It's a little bit too far out on the desk. I want it set back more. But yeah, it has all these adjustments. What I need to do is I put this right in the middle. I should put it off to the side a little bit. This way I can get it further back. Because it won't go any more back like that. So if I push it like, I want it back further, I can do like that. And I'll get it, that's probably as far as back as I can get it. And that's where I would like it to be on the desk, back. So I need to move that over. So this will be in the center of the desk. Also, it goes all different directions. This thing goes, I can turn this however I want. It spins this way. I can bring it up higher if I want. Bring it up as high as this TV if I wanted to. And that's what these adjustments here. These are for the cable wires. Cable wires over here. I don't know what this smiley face is. I'm thinking it's probably the tension on the bar on the hydraulic. If it different weight, whatever, if I want to put it up, does it hold it up? If I lift it, yeah, it keeps it up there. So that is as high as that will go, but then I can raise this whole sucker all the way up if I wanted to. Anyway, yeah, so move this over and it'll be better, but that entails, oh boy, that entails unscrewing this, which means the whole thing has got to come apart. I have to take it off the back of the monitor, and then unscrew this. I don't know if I could just, you know what, I might be able to just unscrew here, take this whole piece off, and then move it. That's what I'm going to try to do. Anyway, so far I like it. I haven't used it yet, but it does everything I want it to do.